So let's get into the trading setup, okay? What do you need to get set up doing cryptocurrency trading? It's actually extremely easy, probably more easy than long-term investing, where it's appropriate to have a wallet and you need to then find the appropriate wallet to hold your cryptocurrency. For trading, it's super simple. You need three things, and I'm going to go through those in this lecture. So, first thing is you need a basic wallet, okay? Essentially a wallet that has a fiat gateway. Now, what I mean by fiat gateway is that you can essentially buy cryptocurrency with fiat currency. Fiat currency being dollars, pounds, rupees, lira, euros, whatever. Okay, so you need that basic fiat exchange, okay? So the ways to do this is by setting up a wallet either on Coinbase, GDAX, or localbitcoins.com. It all depends really on where you're from. A lot of countries can use Coinbase quite easily, but a lot of countries can't use Coinbase. So in the absence of that, GDAX and local Bitcoins are good alternatives. Now with a wallet, essentially what you can do is you can send, store, and receive cryptocurrency. Okay, so you can send it from your wallet to the exchange, which is principally where you will buy other altcoins and cryptocurrency. You can store it in there too. It's relatively safe. I've not heard of any hacks. Two-factor authentication, which means you need two devices essentially, or two methods of logging in to your account. And then you can receive the cryptocurrency. So if somebody wants to send you some Bitcoin, let's say somebody's paying you some Bitcoin, in order to receive that, you can do that with a basic wallet and any kind of wallet really. And it's secure. That's really the best thing about wallets, is that they are secure. The whole means of having a wallet is to protect yourself from being hacked, okay? Because you basically secure your wallet in a place where you're meant to secure your cryptocurrency. Exchanges are not where you secure cryptocurrency most of the time. So when you've done your trading, you can send it back to the wallet for security until the next time you do trading. And essentially, you would use this wallet to convert fiat into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin using Coinbase. The second thing you need is an exchange. So once you've got your Bitcoin, once you have turned your fiat currency into Bitcoin, you then need a marketplace essentially to be able to buy the altcoins. And that is the exchange. Like a stock market exchange. That's the place where you go buy, sell, sell, sell. This is the digital version of the exchange. Okay, so you transfer your money over to the exchange. Now, the most common ones, the ones where you can buy most of the cryptocurrencies, particularly the ones that are the most in demand, are Bittrex. That has quite a large index of cryptocurrencies. Poloniex, Kraken, and Bitfinex. There are tons of others. There's hundreds of other exchanges, but these are the main ones. These are the ones that have been set up for a large amount of users and is scaled to the point that it doesn't have horrible issues, runtime issues, and loading issues and all that kind of thing. Third thing you need is Coinigy. This is where you will do your technical analysis. Okay, so when you're doing short-term trading, really you've got to be looking at what is happening, what are the price movements, moment to moment of that cryptocurrency. Now, in some cases, you could be trading for 2 weeks. You could put your money in and do a short-term trade for a couple of weeks. But sometimes you may be trading literally for hours, okay? In which case, using Coinigy is a great tool to be able to spot what is happening in the price and actually dictate sometimes what you do. Because if you see a particular candlestick, for instance, a bearish candlestick, then that can lead to the price dropping catastrophically. So you need to be using a technical analysis tool like Coinigy or TradingView in order to see what is happening. So this is your trading setup. Very simple. This is all you need.